Hey guys, what's up? Today in this video I'm going to basically talk about my setup. I'm going to go through it really quick just because I think it's pretty cool. I don't know, I think it's pretty cool and it took me a long time to build, so I hope you like this. We're going to start at the boring pieces. The door, got schedule, 6 o'clock, 6 o'clock wake up, 7:20 get ready, you know, all this stuff. You can read that later. Saturdays, check stocks. I got all the freaking planning. Board, you know, got the board. I used to be a ski racer. I used to race motorcycles too, and currently I play tennis pretty much. And that gets me to here. This is my alarm clock. I know there's an iPad on it. It's just an old iPad. There's really nothing to it. It's literally just a notification center. You know, really basic stuff. This is a lightsaber. It's real metal. It does not turn on, but I have the sword thing from it. All these tennis rackets used to be mine. This one was one of my first ones. This one was my second one. This one was my, I broke it in the finals, at the state finals this year. This one was the last one I used, but it broke. This one was one of the first ones that I used, and this one was the very second one that I used, like, ever. And then, gonna to the fun part. Hello, dog. All right, so over here, I got stocks, got my account situation, how I send all of my money. BTC trading times, these are the times with most volume, so you can make money. This said 3K, whatever. Car, don't really, I have workout stuff on here, and then no excuses for success, and then plan, basically, pretty decent. Okay, Legos, because I used to be a kid, and now I'm serious, and computer stuff, because I used to run my own tech company, and I made my own phone. Let me find it, actually. It's on my bed. Alright, so this was it. It looks really crappy, but it ran Android and iOS. And it had a solar panel on the back, but it fell off. And this was the conductors and stuff, so this had, I don't know if you can see that, but it had a bunch of, what's it called? Like, conductors and stuff. And it's really pretty decent stuff. Also up here, actually. Computer supplies. RX 580, Corsair Void headset, the things, and then I just have some random bottles up here. Ski racing helmet, tennis, basketball, motocross, basketball, and then tennis. So pretty decent. And then over here, economics textbook. I know I'm only 15 and stuff, but I'm already taking college economics. Xbox controller, because I play Xbox on here. It's not an Xbox remote, but it's a PC. All right, so we're gonna start over here. This is a Surface ProBook 2 or something, facial recognition or something. Has an i7, 8 gigs of RAM with a 16 gigabyte. No. With an RX, no, not an RX. It's a GTX 1080. No, a 1070, I'm sorry. And then here's my webcam. Decent keyboard, peripherals and stuff. This chair was like 70 bucks. I don't have a microphone. This microphone does not work. But, so I use my headphones. Okay, give it a second. All right, so computer stuff, pretty decent. So I run dual operating systems on Windows here. So I have like all my trading bots and stuff on here. But to get to the other, so basically it'd speed up on my regular profile, but I basically have two Windows operating systems. One is for like everything, my normal stuff for gaming and everything. And then I have one purely for stocks just because why the heck not? All right. Fast charger for phone. Haven't put my iPad here. Wallet, tea, because love the tea. No, it's actually my favorite drink because it goes down really smooth and it's healthier than coffee. Trash. Pens, pencils, stuff. Programs that I wrote down. This is my this is where I keep all my data, it's documents, and then this is where I keep all my trading courses, just because, you know, that's cool. I run 16 terabytes in RAID 1. I got a bunch of documents in here from like TD Ameritrade and stuff, math, because I'm still in high school. Pretty decent stuff. All right, come in here. I have books and yeah, just generally overall kind of school stuff. All right, so this is my favorite part so far, and I just added this. This is my brand new trading bot. So I had to cut it there just because the ones got dirty, I guess. But you can see here, got TQQ. This is like the Apple Mac stuff. See in the news, probability analysis. If it sees something here, it'll send it to the bot, which will put it on the TD Ameritrade so I can see the bot's thinking now. But it automatically does it for that. So, yeah, that's like my favorite part. I literally just added it. So, you know, pretty decent. And oh, wait, I'm really into music. So I bought this soundbar. It's pretty good. It's a Vizio something. It's not the small one, it's the bigger one. Has 3 speakers here, 2 speakers in the middle, and then 3 speakers over there. And then over here, I have it's 5.1 surround sound, but I tuned it to 7.1, so it uses the spaces on my walls as, I don't know. So it bounces off stuff, I guess. But pretty big subwoofer. This is my right speaker, left speaker, you know. And then this is another subwoofer just because it's far away. Yeah. It's kind of dirty right now, but it'd be pretty decent. So thanks for watching. Trading bot. So I had to cut it there just because the ones got dirty, I guess. But you can see here, got TQQ. This is like the Apple Mac stuff. See in the news, probability analysis. If it sees something here, it'll send it to the bot, which will put it on the TD Ameritrade so I can see the bot's thinking now. But it automatically does it for that. So, yeah, that's like my favorite part. I literally just added it. So, you know, pretty decent. And oh, wait, I'm really into music. So I bought this soundbar. It's pretty good. It's a Vizio something. It's not the small one, it's the bigger one. Has 3 speakers here, 2 speakers in the middle, and then 3 speakers over there. And then over here, I have it's 5.1 surround sound, but I tuned it to 7.1, so it uses the spaces on my walls as, I don't know. So it bounces off stuff, I guess. But pretty big subwoofer. This is my right speaker, left speaker, you know. And then this is another subwoofer just because it's far away. Yeah. It's kind of dirty right now, but it'd be pretty decent. So thanks for watching. Okay, so over there, no, way over there is downtown Denver. Golf course. Charles Schwab is that really big building over there. It literally spans from right there to all the way over there. So yeah, pretty decent. Then coming over here. Come coming over here, basically got some Lamborghinis that I got from different places. This one I got from Italy. This one I got from the Baltic. This one I got from St. Thomas, you can see. And this one, my first girlfriend gave it to me. So I know I'm 15, but she gave it to me in 4th grade, so I don't really care. And I also just went to school. So yeah, I'm basically gonna tell you about this now. This is my, it's a 32 gigabyte flash drive. Basically holds all my business stuff on it. This is my Teachables course or whatever. I have a bunch of other stuff on there. I don't know why the Teachables course isn't working, but it is whatever. All right, and then, is there anything else to talk about? Oh man, let's see. First graphics card, and I was taken apart. I got a green screen, something. It's for like Wi-Fi, you know. Green tea, because I love tea. Got a projector, got a few motherboards down there too. I don't know, is that it? All right, so just an overview of my setup. Got the lights under, Forza wallpapers. Really, really basic, I know, but I love it. Gotta love tea, because my favorite. Tea is really, really good for you, so I tried to drink as much of that as I can instead of coffee. So, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something about me, and I don't know, this is just what I really like to do in my off time. Is the hat annoying? I think it's annoying. So thanks for watching. Go like other videos. I'm planning to do one on my car because I really like cars. As you can see, it's a BMW 335 E90 generation. Put the tune on it, it's perfect. 420 horsepower to all 4 wheels, baby. All right, see you later.